My name is Michael McLaughlin. I'm a Chinese martial arts teacher in Cape Town, South Africa. Over the next few months, we will be uploading a series of videos with Qigong exercise programs. Qigong translates into English as health exercise. We will be starting with some easy exercises that you can do when you get up in the morning. Very simple. It'll give you a kickstart to your day. And then later we will be doing a series called the Ba Duan Jin, or the 8 pieces of brocade. You will find that doing these exercises on a regular basis will have a great impact on your health and well-being. Apart from the videos, we will upload links to articles and to our personal websites. We will also be having online discussions where we can discuss any questions that you have and give you advice on practice. Please subscribe to our Self-Nature channel and click on the bell if you wish to receive notifications for future videos.